Hello, good morning friends, and welcome all of you. Myself Jatin Dave from Ashapura School Bhuj. Now, are you ready? So we are going to continue our lesson probability, and today maybe we are finished all entire lesson probability. So please start with us. I am going to continue some examples of probability. So first of all, we discuss question number 6 from the textual exercise. Here a question is, please let's see the blackboard and read the question with me. Question number 6 is, a box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red balls. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red balls. If a ball is drawn at random from the box, ball is drawn from the box, what is the probability that it will be a white in color, blue in color and red in color? Okay, now start the solution. So first of all, once again, the total number of balls is equal to the total number of possible outcomes in this example. Here total number of balls is 3 blue plus 2 white plus 4 red is equal to 9 balls. That means the number of possible outcomes from this question is 9. Now for first event, let W be event, the ball is white. When we draw from the box randomly, we get the white ball. So our first event W is the ball is white. Now number of white balls is equal to the number of favorable outcomes for event W. Here number of white balls is equal to 2. That means the 2 is number of favorable outcomes from this event. So finally, now put the value in the formula. P of W means probability of white balls is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. Now substitute the value. Favorable outcomes is equal to 2 and total possible outcome is 9. So PW is equal to 2 by 9. Now from the second event, blue. Let event B, the ball is blue in color. Here the number of favorable outcomes is equal to the number of blue balls, 3 blue balls, 3 blue color balls. So our favorable outcomes is 3, and therefore now once again we put the values in the formula. P of B means probability of blue balls we get is equal to favorable outcomes is equal to 3 and total possible outcomes is equal to 9. Therefore PB is equal to 3 by 9. But here 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 is the common factor which is cancelled out, and finally we get 1 by 3. So PB means probability of blue balls is equal to 1 by 3. Now third and last event, red. Let event R be the ball is red. The ball is red. Now number of red balls is equal to 4. Number of red balls is equal to 4. So the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4 is equal to the number of red balls, and now put the value in the formula once again. So probability of red balls PR is equal to favorable outcomes is 4 and total possible outcomes is equal to 9. So PR is equal to 4 by 9. Okay, dear students, please open your notebook and write down the question number 6. Very good. Now we are going to another solution. Question number 5. Look here. Once again, let's see the board.
question number 5. If PE means probability of event is equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not E? Not E. Okay, for any event E, we know that very well. PE means probability of event plus PE bar. PE bar, that means probability not event is equal to 1. Therefore, if we find out the not E, then our formula is PE bar is equal to 1 minus PE. 1 minus PE. Now, value of PE is equal to 0.05 is available, is given. So, put the value in the equation and we get PE bar is equal to, that means P not E is equal to 1 minus 0.05 is equal to 0.95. 1 is the integer minus 0.05 decimal and finally we get 0.95. Thus, the probability of not E is equal to 0.95. One more question for the same type. So, we are going to continue question number 7. It is given that in a group of 3 boys, it is given that in a group of 3 boys, the probability of 2 boys not having the same birthday is 0.092. What is the probability that the 2 boys have the same birthday? Same questions, but with the description. Once again, write down and understand carefully. First of all, first detail is a group of 3 boys. The probability of 2 boys not having the same birthday is 0.092 is available. And we want to find out what is the probability that the 2 boys have the same birthday. So here, let event A be the 2 boys have the same birthday. Event A is the 2 boys have the same birthday. And then not event A is called the A bar, is the event the 2 boys do not have the same birthday. Then we given PA bar means the probability of not A. Means the 2 boys do not have the same birthday is available. PA bar is equal to 0.092. Therefore, now put the value in the formula. PA means probability of event A is equal to 1 minus PA bar. Substitute the value. 1 minus 0.092. 1 is the integer and 0.092 is the decimal. So subtract from the integer 1 and finally we get 0.008. Finally we get 0.008. That means thus the probability of the 2 boys have the same birthday PA is equal to 0.008. So dear students, here we discuss 3 examples from your textual examples and exercise. Question number 6, where a box is containing the 3 types of ball, 3 colors of ball, blue, white and red, and we find out the probability to when we draw a ball from randomly and we get a white ball, blue ball and red ball. Question number 5 and 7 from your textbook, we have to find out PE bar or PA, that means probability of event or not event. First of all, question number 5, we get probability of not event, find out, and last question from the base of the probability not event 2, we find out the probability of event. So please, once again, I repeat, please write down in your notebook all 3 examples and find out the same type of example for your textual exercise and textual examples, and please practice it. Please practice it. We are going to continue our last video for the lesson probability examples. Will you come in a very short time? Thank you and bye.